Welcome to Cyrus Academy. Easy English pronunciation. The letter A. In this lesson, you will learn the 5 common sounds of the letter A with examples. Let's begin your journey to better English. A has 5 major sounds. The first sound is a short sound, a short A. We say apple, apple, ant, cat, bag, hat. So open your mouth wide and your tongue is low. Apple, ant, cat, bag, hat. Sound 2 is like EI. It's low. It's like in Pashto we call it yeah. It's like name, cake, face, game, plane. Name, cake, face, game, plane. This A has a trick to it. If you see there's an A here where I have given it the arrows, so A, E at the end. That A becomes E, like name, yay, name, cake, face, game, plane. All of them have an A and E at the end. After each consonant, there is a E at the end. That's why we know to pronounce it yeah, like name. The third sound is ah. It's like in Arabic Pashto Farsi, it's ah sound. Ah. Car, park, farm, star, father. You open your mouth wide and you just say ah. Car, park, farm, star, father. This is ah sound. Sound number 4 is like ooh, like a ball, wall, small, talk, call. We kinda ooh it a little bit. Ball, wall, small, talk, call. Sound number 5. This one we call a Schwa sound, ya quiet A, quiet A. So this is a very soft sound. We can hardly hear the A. For example, about, around, away, again, ago. So about, around, away, again, ago. This is a very, very soft A. We can hardly hear it. Great job. Practice a little every day and your English will get better, I promise. And thank you for being with me. Have a nice day.